Did you hear that? Are you expecting anyone?
Oh. Must be those annoying llama guys.
Llama, but we've already paid. Okay, whoever that is won't hear the last of it. This stuff is a piece this early Saturday morning.
Easy, babe. Oh my God, I am so screwed.
Hi! Remember me? T's cousin? I was supposed to be his best man, but you know, school and all.
Hey, I remember.
Yeah, so I'm here for the week.
The week?
Uh-huh.
Okay, does T know about that?
Oh yeah, sure. We had planned this before. Let me just get my bags in.
Bags? Oh. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Hey! Woo! Pop it!
Yeah! From T!
D for Deji.
Look at you! You even chopped up! Marriage must be good, though.
I miss this naughty boy.
You didn't tell her I'll be here for the week.
Very good question. T, how come your wife isn't aware of your cousin's 1 week stay?
Well, he's here now.
Is that your best shot?
Okay. How about I get a hug from my newest sister? Come here.
It's nice to meet you too, Deji.
Yo, Prof T. See, that did not just happen though. See, let me just go back to IB. It's cool, I understand. You newlyweds like your space, it's alright.
No, bro, no. She's mad at me, all right? I'll talk to her. Don't worry, I have it.
Yeah? Alright. So, would you at least show me to my room?
This boy. It's on your right, down the
Am I right? Alright, cool.
Be right back. Good to see you, brother.
Yeah, good to be here.
What is up with you?
Okay, I know we prayed for a baby like a week ago, but that is a full-grown teenager in my palo.
But he's no stranger. You've spoken to him on the phone before. You even said you'd like to meet him.
Did you see the size of his box? He came to live here.
He's on a summer break. He schools in Canada and is gonna be here for a short time. He's traveling to IB in about a week, and I told him that we could hang out. I haven't seen him in a while.
You didn't even notify me. I mean, you can't just do that.
How was I supposed to do that? You weren't speaking to me. It completely slipped my mind.
Okay, but you didn't make plans for him. I mean, now I'm working. Who's going to stay with him at home? And how careful is he? Oh, who are his friends when we're away? T, jeez.
Look, fine. I should have informed you, but we're here now. We need to get it together and play pretend. Please. I know he's a handful, but he's a good kid. I promise.
You are so annoying. Annoying. Now he thinks I'm a witch.
And yo, that's not all though. See, another thing I don't get about all these Nigerian girls is this eyebrow madness, right? You should have seen the girl that sat close to me on the plane. If you saw hers, hey, they look like eagle wings about to take off. You know, very horrific. I can't say that in the night too.
How did you even find your way here?
Well, the thing is, my dad works here in Lagos, so he sent a driver to come get me from the airport. And the address Bro T sent was, pretty straightforward.
Yeah, I'm glad you didn't rely on me. I had totally forgotten that you were coming.
It's cool, it's cool.
But you're looking good, boy. Look at you.
You know what it is. You know how we do this now. So you gotta keep it fresh for the ladies. Speaking of which, Bro T, how far clubbing levels now? You know, clubbing till dawn shizzle. You know.
Excuse me.
Wait a minute. Hold up. Hold up. Have you guys even gone clubbing since the wedding?
No.
I mean, isn't there a time to outgrow those things?
Besides, we do other fun stuff. We go karting. What else we do?
Rock climbing.
Rock climbing. All these fun activities. We did that to mark our 6-month anniversary. Yeah.
Go karting.
Yeah.
Rock climbing.
It was actually like a lot of fun. I can show you some.
It's okay, it's fine. You see, this is just one of the reasons why I want to remain a confirmed bachelor for life. Bro, see, you're following my hand, though. I mean, you used to be the ish back in the day. I remember when I was young, I wanted to be like you and your friends so bad. Which one is rock climbing and go-karting? Huh?
Really? The ish. So what issues were you up to back in the day?
Babe, don't mind him. He's just exaggerating.
Okay.
And besides, when you get a job and, get responsibilities, you're gonna quit things like going out and popping bottles at the club. Trust me.
Bro T, don't say that. I will club till I drop. Ain't nobody got time for dolling. You know what? Before I go back to IB, all three of us are going to go clubbing because clubbing in Ibadan is not for the faint-hearted. I must club in Las Giddy.
So far, you buying the drinks? No, I have. Right?
Right, because I puke over cheap alcohol, so it better be a fine mix.
Right. You heard the lady?
No. You see, bro, I don't think you fully understand why you're coming. See, you're coming to be the sponsor. You understand? Small boy like me. Which money do I have? It's on you, bro T.
I see this boy. I thought Canada would get rid of his rasness.
Hey, Mike. Huh? Ibadan boy for life. Trust me. Better believe that. So, sis, are you game?
Yeah, I'm game. It's been a while, actually.
That's cool, see? Oh, yeah, besides, the food earlier, brilliant, great, lovely, loved it.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So, how's school? Grades and all?
Yeah. How's your GPA?
Bro T, don't you think it would be better if we discuss it, in private, man to man?
You know what? I give up, okay? I have some deadlines to meet, so I'll see you guys later, yeah?
Yeah.
So what do you think?
Yo. Bro, she is so cute. Like, she's sizable, she's sweet, wow. Then again, I'm not even surprised. I mean, you've always been the gentleman. Wow. Sometimes I wish I had Kenyan blood like you just to help me sieve through these Nigerian girls, finessing up and down.
But bro, you don't even need Kenyan blood to get these babes.
Yeah?
All you need to do is just be responsible and, these girls can spot a man with a future. It's all about how you package yourself. You gotta be hardworking. You gotta be respectful. You gotta have a good GPA.
Bro T with the nuggets.
You know this.
Yo, man.
It's good to see you, brother.
Yeah, bro. Like, this is a nice place. I could get comfy here, move in next door. Or not. Oh, hey sis.
What are you doing? And so early?
See, the thing is, my mom taught me well. I'm a visitor here, so I have to wake up early, clean, help out. Do you have any dirty clothes? I can do the laundry.
Okay. You've been here for 4 days, and I know this isn't you. And plus, the house is not dirty. So, come clean.
Okay. Please sit. Oh, wait. You may sit.
Okay.
So, can I have my girlfriend over? I should take her somewhere nice, but I don't have any cash at all.
You have a girlfriend?
Yes.
You're not having sex, are you?
Why else would I need a girlfriend? I'm 19. Definitely not for marriage.
Stay away from my future son.
Sorry, too late.
Oh my.
Yeah, so can she come over? She'll stay in my room. Pretty please. Pretty please.
Oh, fine. Okay, she can come over. But please, no sex in my bed. Respect that. Just hold yourself.
Okay, fine, deal. No sex. See, I really like this one. We've been on and off for a while because of the whole distance thing, but you know, she's a good one. I really can't wait to see her.
Oh, I think that's the nicest thing I've ever heard you say about a girl.
Yeah, you know, I've had a crush on her since high school, but then she friend-zoned me, then I moved to Canada, and then, you know, we started to like each other more, you know, but, there's still side chicks.
What? Deji? Okay, no, you need to get a grip before you get somebody pregnant, or I don't know, you're heartbroken. Seriously.
Aww. Just 4 days and you already love me.
Oh God, whatever. Would that be all?
Actually, there's one more thing. Can I get like 5K from you? I'll get it back from my dad. It's just that, you know, posh girls like you puke on cheap wine.
You're a joker. Okay, let me go freshen up for work and I'll give it to you on my way out. Yeah? Thank you! Okay. There's cereal and food. Knock yourself out.
Alright, cool. Thank you! Do I look okay?
Oh, okay. Don't you have like shorts and a random top? And nah, take off the sneakers.
Yeah, you're right. It's too dressy.
Yeah, calm down. It's just a house date. Yeah?
Oh my, she's here. She can't see me like this.
Okay, I'll get the door. Just go.
Thank you.
I've heard so much about you.
Really? I've heard of you as well. Really? Yeah.
So nice to meet you again.
Hey, baby. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You both have fun. Deji,
Yes?
remember the rules.
Yes.
Yeah? And I left your package on the counter.
Oh, thank you.
Okay? All right, have fun, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
She's so cool.
I know, that's how we roll.
And she's looking nice.
Oh, why, thank you. You look nice yourself. So, what do you have for me?
Where's this young man? Hey. Are you okay? Want to talk about it?
We had such a great day. And then she waits until the last minute when we're about to have our first kiss to tell me that she likes this other working class guy more. Guy's 24.
Ouch.
See, I hate girls.
I'm sorry.
I'm just gonna revenge, you know? Break as many hearts as I can.
Now, your only revenge is to graduate with a cool CGPA, land a great job, and let the ladies swoon over you. And may the best one win.
Yo, that's actually bars, you know, like imagine we just meet somewhere, right? And then I step out of my brand new Mercedes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And who knows what might happen at the club Friday night?
About that, I forgot that I have a first flight to IB on Sunday. I have a wedding to attend with my mom. She wants to show me off, basically.
Oh, that's sad.
Yeah. But I will be back. And when I return, the turn up is going to be epic.
Can't wait.
Yeah.
Hey, do you want to join us tomorrow night for our movie night? It's a Thursday ritual.
Wait, hold up. You mean you guys watch movies every Thursday? You don't miss it?
Nope.
Wow, that's cool. I'll join in.
Great. So, do you have any movies? New ones?
You're asking me if I have movies. Look, I have a 1 terabyte beast. No. We are going to watch movies until our eyes bleed.
Aww, I'm going to miss you, Deji.
Yeah.
Such a firecracker.
Yeah. I'll miss you too.
You hungry? Let's go make something.
Yes, please. Please, let's go. Let's go, I need food.
Et je dis bien, nous allons descendre. Para para que se joue.
Where do you think you are playing loud music like this?
Roxy, welcome. You know I like my music loud.
Don't you have earphones?
I have, but it's one of those Tinko ones. I'm saving up for better ones.
Okay.
Yeah.
My wife is here?
Yeah, she got back pretty early, so we had dinner, but then she was a bit tired, so she went to bed. Yeah. So I've been thinking, you know, it would be nice for me to come and work over at Crest, you know, after school, help you out a little bit.
Yeah, sounds good, man. Sounds good. Love to have you there.
Cool.
Anyway, let's just check now.
Wait, you're going to bed already? I mean, it's barely past 10 o'clock. What is up with you people?
What could we possibly do at this time of night?
Yeah, slightly. Thank you.
Can't believe we won't hang out like we planned. Saturday night to just waste.
It's my mother. Oh. She has a way of always crashing my plans, but you know, she's my first love, so she has my mumu button. Yeah.
I see. What?
I have an idea.
Which is?
If we can't go to the party, then let the party come to us.
Okay, I'm lost.
Okay. We don't have to go out clubbing tonight to have fun. Let's host a house party. We'll wrap it up early, and that way, I don't have to worry about missing my flight.
A house party? I think it's kind of too late for that. And plus, Saturdays are for weddings in Lagos.
See, don't worry, eh? I'm sure your friends will come through. Besides, you have a next door neighbor whom I'm sure you don't even know, seeing as you are forever indoors.
Yeah, whatever.
Anyway, I'm going to invite 2 of my guys in Lagos. I'm sure they will come through, no problem. It's just 10 a.m. now. See, we have more than enough time to plan this thing. Come on, you know you want to. You know you want to. You know you want to.
Fine. But No crowd and not more than 10 people.
Cool.
And 2, no vodka.
All right. Wait. No vodka. Like, at all. Okay, fine. Deal. No vodka.
So we have one more person to convince.
Good morning, good people. Morning, baby. What are we having this morning?
We are having a house party tonight.
Awesome. So far, it's a few people and nothing gets destroyed. I'm fine, Chef.
You see, men don't have stress.
Whatever. Want some cereal?
Anything, baby, anything.
Yeah, so we need drinks, small chops, grills, great music. Who do I give this bill to?
Ah, come on, you agreed to this. It's your cross.
Well, you're the man of the house, so pay up, baby.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to side with her, bro. Pay up.
It's early in the morning and you guys are already draining my wallet.
Yeah. But see, don't worry, God will provide.
Ooh, so excited. I haven't hosted in a while.
You guys need me in your lives.
All right, so let's get started. We need drinks, food, small chops.
Yeah.
What else?
Just bring your ATM card, will be all right.
Okay.
Or wallet.
A Benny Durana, a Benny Durana, show feto up or no. A Benny Durana, show feto up or no, show feto up or no. I know what you like, I know what you like, I know what you like, what you like, what you like. I know what you like, I know what you like, I know what you like, what you like, what you like. You like my, you like my, you like my, you touch my, you touch my, I just need you. Give me, I know what you like, I know what you like, I know what you like, what you like, what you like. I know you like to see, I know you like to see, I know you like to watch, like to touch, like to touch. You like my, you like my, I know you like my, you want to touch my, you do watch my, I just be, I know you like my, I know they, watch me move it nicely, I drive them and them crazy. I know you wanna touch me, but sorry you can't touch this. You wanna call me boo-boo, you wanna taste that cuckoo. I'm well too sexy, I'm bad like Michael Jackson, bad like Michael Jackson. A Benny Durana, show feto up or no, show feto up or no. A Benny Durana, show feto up or no, show feto up or no. I know what you say to make you.
Oh, so nice of you to come.
I know, me too. I'm really glad I came. And I'll be back soon, and hopefully before my younger brother is born.
Aha! At least somebody agrees with me.
It's a girl.
Boy.
Girl.
Let's go to the airport. You're gonna miss your flight and she's never gonna agree.
I know how I know.
Alright, babe. See you later.
It's gonna be a boy though.
Bye.
Bye.
Were we this lonely all along? Can't believe I want a baby so bad. Dear God, it doesn't have to be a girl. It can be a boy. Actually, I wouldn't mind a son like Deji. Actually, a mix of T and Deji, just to be safe.
I know what you like, I I know what you like. I know what you like. What you like. What you like. I know what you like. I know what you like. I know what you like. What you like. What you like. You like my. You like my. I know you like my. You want touch my. You dey watch my. I just be. I know you like my. I know the. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni, ọ̀gbẹ́ni, ọ̀gbẹ́ni dúró náà. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni dúró náà. Ṣó fẹ́ tọwọ́ bọ̀ náà. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni, ọ̀gbẹ́ni, ọ̀gbẹ́ni dúró náà. Ṣó fẹ́ tọwọ́ bọ̀ náà. Ṣó fẹ́ tọwọ́ bọ̀ náà.